బీజేపీ జాతీయ నేత రామ్ మాధవ్ రచించిన బికాజ్ ఇండియా కమ్స్ ఫస్ట్ పుస్తకంపై హైదరాబాద్ తాజ్ డెక్కన్లో ఇష్టాగోష్ఠి జరుగుతుంది. ఫోరం ఫర్ నేషనలిస్టిక్ థింకర్స్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో పుస్తకంలోని అంశాలపై చర్చించారు. బీజేపీ ఎమ్మెల్సీ రామచంద్రరావు ఆధ్వర్యంలో జరుగుతున్న ఈ కార్యక్రమం ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Discussion. There were a lot of debates over many issues, but one issue that attracted a very interesting discussion was this question of nation. The Constitution of India begins with the statement, "We the people of India." This was actually borrowed from the American Constitution. The American Constitution begins with the statement, "We the people of the United States of America." So we adopted that in 1935 Government of India Act, and that became the first sentence of our Constitution. Some members asked Ambedkar, why not start by saying we the Indian nation? Are we the nation of India? Why should you say people of India? Dr. Ambedkar gives a very loaded and very profound answer to that. He says, look, nationalism, these are spiritual ideas. You should have deep emotional spiritual bond with one another for a nation to flourish, a nation to rise. Unfortunately, right now we don't have that national consciousness in the country. I'm talking about 1949 when that answer was given by Dr. Ambedkar. We don't have it. What we have in India is caste consciousness, regional religious consciousness, communal consciousness, but not the national consciousness. So his proposition was that we are actually embarking on an exercise to make a nation through this constitution. India in the making. So we began our journey 72 years ago. Today, as you also rightly felt, this title looks a little out of place. What do you mean? India is it anyway comes first. Today, if an ordinary person like me or like you or everybody, today he is feeling that way, that is because of the journey of the last 72 years. The kind of steps that were taken, the kind of initiatives that were taken has finally resulted in large part of the country today brimming with that national consciousness. In that, I give a lot of credit to last 6 years of Prime Minister Modi's governance, which has consciously made efforts to awaken the sense of national oneness. All the actions of this government in last 6 years are motivated by that idea, which is the title of this book, Rashtra Sarvopari, because India comes first. Yep. So from a very narrow identity consciousness to a broader national consciousness, this journey is what I tried to present through various articles in this book. And I have to also admit that the title was not given by me. This was picked up from one of my articles, title of one of my articles, by the publishers, the Amazon, the Westland. So they felt that, if you give this title to the book, then even Mr. Sudhir will begin the conversation with the title. So that means you can, market it well. So probably it's a marketing technique, although Sudhirji, this is not a marketing event. The book is not available for sale here. So this exercise is not for marketing. This is an opportunity to discuss some of the important issues that country is facing. Sure. I think that is the background of this title.
Okay, sure. In fact, I was going to, you already touched upon it, about the tagline of this book, Reflections on Nationalism, Identity and Culture, and you referred to what Dr. B.R. Ambedkar